Okay, YouTube fam, I hope you're all doing good today. Today is going to be a good one. We're going to be cooking salmon egg rolls. You don't want to miss this video. These are just some of the ingredients that I'm using today. Watch the entire video so you'll know exactly what else I'm going to use. This recipe was inspired by my daughter, so please watch it the whole way through. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam, isn't that a beautiful piece of salmon? Okay, we're gonna go ahead. I've already washed it and dried it as best I could. Now we're gonna go ahead and season it, okay? We're gonna put a tablespoon of olive oil on it, okay? If you don't have olive oil, you can use any type of oil you have, okay? Next, we're gonna put a tablespoon of black pepper in there, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a half a tablespoon on the front of it, and then when I turn it over, I'll put the other half on the back, so that'll make it a tablespoon full, okay? Now we're gonna put a tablespoon of onion powder in there. This is gonna give it some great flavor. Great flavor. Okay. Same thing with the garlic powder. I'm gonna add a tablespoonful of it in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of the Tony's Creole seasoning. It's delicious. It is delicious. Okay. Save a little bit for the bag. Okay, YouTube fam, I've seasoned both sides. What I'm gonna do is sit that to the side so it'll be marinating, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, YouTube fam, we're gonna put a tablespoon of olive oil in our skillet. What we're gonna do now, we're going to saute our vegetables, okay? Our bell peppers and onions, okay? Okay, the oil is hot now. I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetables. First of all, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a red bell pepper. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a yellow bell pepper. 1/4 of a green bell pepper, and lastly we're going to add 1/4 of an onion, okay? And we're going to let this saute for about 3 minutes, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, I also added some minced garlic, a 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic to it. It's been sauteing for about 2 minutes now. I'm gonna take it up, okay? Okay, to that pan, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, okay? And once it starts melting, okay, now I'm gonna add my salmon, okay? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna saute it probably about 3 minutes on each side, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, the salmon has sauteed 3 minutes on each side. What I'm gonna do now is break it down with this spatula, okay? And all I'm doing is just breaking it, you know, into small pieces so it can, you know, get ready for the egg roll wrap, okay? It smells delicious in here. And please, YouTube fam, hit the like button for me, okay? I really appreciate that. And subscribe to my channel. Okay, we're gonna let it saute probably about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. Okay, now I'm gonna add those bell peppers and onions that I sauteed earlier. I'm gonna add them to it. Okay, I'm gonna add them back into that. Okay, and I'm gonna continue to saute it for about probably, I would say, 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, YouTube fam, I forgot to tell you. I wanted to add some cheese to it. Okay. I'm going to add probably 1/4 of a cup of cheese to that mixture also. And I'm going to stir that into the salmon and the bell peppers. And that's going to make it, just give it a great taste, okay? We got about 2 minutes to go. Okay, YouTube fam, it is ready. It's ready to be put into the egg roll wrappers, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? It smells delicious in here. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm going to show you how to put the egg roll wrap together, okay? You want to add a little of the egg wash to your wrap. And you want to add your piece of cheese, whatever kind of cheese you like. Then you're going to add your salmon mixture in there. Okay. However much you think you may like in there. Okay. Another piece of cheese on there. Add some more salmon. Me in there. Oh, it smells so good in here. Okay. Pick some of that up and put it on there. It's okay if some fall over. That'll be okay. 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 Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring the bottom up. And then I'm going to kind of pinch it a little on the side. And I'm going to bring the sides over. Bring the other side over. Then I'm going to add some more egg wash to the top right there. Because that's where we're going to connect everything. And then I'm going to start rolling. And you just roll as best you can, okay? Okay. I'm going to continue to do this, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm going to use my deep fryer. If you don't have a deep fryer, you'll have to do it in your frying pan, okay? I've already got my grease hot, and all you want to do is just sit it in there. Okay. And you're going to let it fry for 5 to 8 minutes, okay? I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, YouTube fam. Don't they look delicious? Don't they look delicious? Okay, I'm going to put these in a drying dish, and I'm going to put 2 more on, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, I'm finna put 2 more in the deep fryer. Sorry about that. Okay. And let them cook for about, I say about 5 to 8 minutes. And they'll be done. The other ones are beautiful. You saw them. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam. I finally finished. Now that mixture, it cooked more than this. It's gonna cook more than this, but right now, that's the beauty of it. You can put it up until you get ready to, eat some more. So I just put it in a storage container and put it in the refrigerator because I'm probably going to eat some more tomorrow, me and my husband. But don't they look delicious? And then for the sauce, I chose the sweet chili sauce. That's what my daughter recommended. Okay, or you can also use the sweet and sour sauce, whichever one you like, okay? And they just look beautiful. And another thing I wanted to tell you is you might, this is what I always do, you don't have to. I add, instead of one egg roll wrap, I add 2 to each one of mine, because it makes the egg rolls much more, they hold together better without the meat seeping through. And they make them very, very more crispier. And that's what I like. But you don't have to, okay? Okay, YouTube fam. I cut it so you can see in the middle of it. See how delicious it looks? And it tastes delicious also, okay? Look at all the vegetables and the cheese. They're just delicious. They really are. Please try this for your family. It's something quick and easy, but it's delicious. And thanks for watching. You know I always appreciate it. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. See you next time.